Hi everyone, it's Daniela and welcome back to my channel. I have some, this video is about something else, but I just wanted to show you how I'm doing with my Tonic Studios Vanity Box Memory Book die set. I remember I have two. I made the covers. I did not do the inside, but I made the front and back covers, and they go like this. Look at me making it look ridiculously hard. They go like this, and then this piece, you see the holes, that's so I can lace it. They go in here, so when the whole box is open, you glue those two together. That side piece goes there and that one there, and I kind of don't understand why they're even there, but, and then these pop out the sides, and this is the little spine to make the little book. So, moving right along. No, it's nice to do something with no pressure. Just do it because you want to do it. So, in case anybody was wondering, I wanted to let you know where I was with it. Move that out of the way. Oh, and this is the one part I doubt anyone could forget. I am using the beautiful Graphic 45 Elegance paper. Oh, it is so beautiful and dreamy. So, awesome. Glad we got that out of the way. These are a bunch of the little cutouts, you know, labels and bows. I cut them out with everything I cut. This is always a little spot. One other thing quick is that I received another piece of the Crafter's Companion exploding box thing. It's so many dies, and we're going to see very soon, sorry, about how that is versus the We Are Memory Keepers exploding box board. So, okay. Y'all know I cannot, incapable of not participating in getting something, buying something that I don't know what's in it. I can't help it. It's sickness. I need to see help. Seek help. There must be a name for, I don't know, mysterious stuff getter. So, Peachy Cheap. I'm sure all of you know Peachy Cheap. If you don't, you should. Sometimes they have amazing deals. I bought so many wonderful things from them, and sometimes they're just ridiculous. It's a gamble. They had a crate paper grab bag, $15.99. With the shipping, it brought it to like $19.98. So even though it's the $15.99 grab bag, if you round it up to 20, so we're gonna, I just ripped it so I didn't have to make a lot of noise, and now we're gonna go through it and see what's in it. So exciting. All right. Okay. What we got going on here? I had saw this when I opened it. These are obviously letters. I don't know if there's a receipt or anything in here. My address on there. It smells very nice in the bag too. It's almost like a pine scent. I don't know. Anyway, So I got some alphas, which everybody knows I will never use. Not because I hate alphabets, but because I just don't normally use them. Although these seem very nice, you know. They're Sorbet is their name. And then there's these thickers that are Brave. You Amaze Me. Happiness Lives Inside the Smallest Moments. Strong Boy. Made of Stars. Brave Girl. Aww. Oh my gosh. Stay Little Forever. Aw, that's gonna get me choked up. I've always said that to my boys, whatever age they turned. I always said, you know, be 9 as long as you can. You only get one time that you can be 9. Once you're out of school, then life just goes, but you'll never be able to be 9 again. That one, I don't know what I'll use it for, but I have to use it. That's so awesome. Alright, enough of me. Let's keep going. What we got here? Hooray. I think I have the Hooray paper. I don't know if I have these cool fuzzy. I also knew going in that there's probably a lot of Maggie Holmes or whatever. Just crate paper in general, because when Tuesday Morning existed where I live, I know I was always getting it, but what, I can't use an extra happy birthday or make a big wish? This I could, what, I don't know what to do with that, but yay. That's alright, I'm okay. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Let's keep going. Look at me. Taking too much time. What is this? Ooh, Magic Forest. That I didn't know I don't have, but look at that. It's like wire that's wrapped with thread. It's got fuzzy stuff coming out the bottom of the rainbow. These delightful embellishments are the perfect finishing touch for any project. Embellishments is all it says, but you can see that the, that's fun. I think that's fun, and I've never seen that before. What else we got? What else we got? All heart. I remember looking for all heart like anything back in the day, as it were. This says everything smells so nice. I don't know what that is, but you smell it. I don't know. It's got like this very nice scent, which is really weird to say, because usually stuff that comes in the mail smells weird. Unless it's graphic 45 paper, then everybody knows that always smells delicious. All right, let's keep going. Wow. Sweet Story, Maggie Holmes. I know I have a little, but I don't have a lot of this. But these are just so cute. It doesn't matter if I have, I mean, I'll use these. These are cool. I like them a lot. And I have boxes in the, I'm pointing too high for you to see me. In the cubbies that, and one of them is Maggie Holmes, but it's like all of her stuff. Like it's in a box instead of, I'm looking and I'm like, oh, there we go. Okay, yep. I have two boxes, and then one cubby of all the paper and 2 boxes of all the stuff that goes along with it. Another Hooray. Get your party on. There you go. Right on. This cat is killing it, right? I think he's a balloon, but still. He does not know how to have fun. What's this? Ooh. La La Love. You know that? I know I never ended up getting because I just had all my Valentine's Day stuff out, if you recall. And I did not have these. These are just fun paper clips. You can use them for anything. They're fun. This I have. I know I have this. But can you ever have too many of these really pretty yarn dangles? Looks so good on books. And finally, I got a whole thing of Journal Studio washi tape. There's no receipt in here either. Kind of weird, but okay. Sorry. And these are really pretty prints. This is like an ivory with like a gold in it. And this one is pretty flowers, as you can see. And that guy is stripes, flowers, flowers. Best day. Happy little memories. Aww. And that's it. That's what I got. What do you think? I think this is worth 20 bucks. My Tuesday morning would be $3, $3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and this would be $5.99 probably. So I think I got my 20 bucks worth. Well, that was fun. So I hope you liked everything I've showed you with the Peachy Cheap Crate Paper grab bag and my progress on my vanity box / memory book that I'm working on, and that's all I got right now. I did shop on HSN's Craft Day. I didn't get that much, got enough. I got 2, and then that one, and then that one and that one. I got like 4 or 5 things. Not bad, not bad at no paper. I'm really sticking to that. And there you have it. So I will see you in the next video, whatever it will be, and I hope you all have an awesome tonight and an amazing tomorrow, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for all of your love and support and kindness, and I am just so blessed. I'm making that face, and then I'm looking at you like that because you guys are so awesome. People see you, they're like, whoa. And that is somebody who is totally awesome. And you know you're awesome because you're here, and I'm so happy. And that's all I got. See you in the next video. Stay awesome, everyone. Bye.